Get into a car with value. 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This capable Santa Cruz delivers premium comfort, a smooth, quiet ride, and utility fit for adventurers. High-end design and high-tech equipped, it blends sophistication with remarkable versatility. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Don't skimp on comfort to get the utility you need. Get the best of both worlds in this impressive Santa Cruz. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.